I look so crazy, but we Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Haley, but if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, I'm pleased to see you again. How you doing? In today's video, we're just basically gonna be doing like a 24-hour transformation, not get ready with me, a transformation video. 24 hours plus some change. Maybe not 24 hours exactly, but 24 hours, you know? So in this video, we are going to be doing my hair. We are going to be doing my nails, my toes, and my lashes, and my eyebrows. We can't really do a sew-in with these in my head, can we? We can't really do a sew-in with these in my hair? I don't think so. So I'll be back when my hair is taken out, washed, and blow dried. Now that our hair is washed, blown out, and conditioned and everything, so now we just have to start our braid down. And for the braid down, it does not have to be perfect. Lord knows mine is not going to be perfect whatsoever, but just braid it down to the best of your abilities. I'm going to show you how I braid it down. But yeah, so we're just gonna part it and have this piece out so we can have that as our leave out. And now we're just gonna braid her back like that.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down.
Alright, so you'd be like, why didn't you do your leave out first? I should have, but like, we're doing a middle part, so I'm just gonna braid to like here, and then I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna do my leave out, and I'm gonna show you guys. So I'll be right back when this side of my head is done and braided up. Okay, now that this side of my hair is done, we're going to do the part. If I can get the scrunchie out, I'm just gonna split it down the middle until where you want it to stop. I want mine to stop about right here. So we're just gonna do really, when I say really, not thin, but not thick, like a medium amount of leave out, because if you do too thick, it won't blend with the hair, and if you do too thin, your tracks will be showing. So just the right amount of hair. I'll be back when I section it. Okay, now that you have finished sectioning out your leave out, you should have about this much. It's not too much, not too little. You just want to tie it away while you finish braiding the rest of your hair. And then just literally braid like you did on this side all the way until this side. And don't forget, do not braid your leave out over here. Do not do it. Do not forget, don't braid it. We can finally, I look so crazy. Ooh, that food was too good. Go to your local beauty supply store, ask for a curved needle and some black thread. And we're just gonna sew the end pieces up so they can be, you know, out the way. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so now that we have, how the back look? Bad, huh? Right now. Good thing no one's gonna see back there. We have a, how long is this? 20-inch, 22 and 18. we're gonna start with the 22-inch, I think, and we're just gonna go from the back and work our way up. This is what we're working with.
I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air. In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the place.
So we're here. Hold on. Let's skip the back. Took forever, but we're here. And now we can do the flat ironing bit of this. It's cute like this. I should just leave the house. But we're gonna use some of these, you know, just the smallest amount. That's it. That's all you need. No more.
Most of my days chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school when a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." I begged and pleaded with her day after day, but she packed my suitcase and sent me on my way. She gave me a kiss.
Sometimes for the better. More often for the worse. That's the common mistake.
Sorry to interrupt, Dr. Fallon. Sheriff Keller and I need to see Archie
I
Anderson.
believe I'm gonna curl it because I don't like straight hair. Like,
I'm sorry, Principal Weatherby,
You
but
need
the t-shirts
something.
were my idea, not Archie's.
This is not about
Something,
t-shirts,
so.
Miss March. Please sit down.
this is how it looks straight. We actually like it straight. Oh, and I have to take my wax stick.
I was in my garage last night working on some songs. Okay, but never left.
So this is how it turned out. Took a couple of hours. I just wanted to say that I did add a few more tracks in the front to make it look fuller and not thin like it was grasping for air. Hey guys, it is, why is things falling? But it is the next day and I did stop the video after I finished my hair because it was time to go to sleep. So we're just gonna finish out this video and we're gonna start with eyelashes first. So let's get these lashes on. These are what you're gonna need for your lashes. So let's get applying. Grab your lash and cut it up into like maybe 4 pieces. Now that you've cut your lashes, you're gonna have them in little pieces like this. And you're just gonna start applying them and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so this is really the key to getting your lashes to stick. You want to take the side where it says bond. Mine is pretty old because I use it a lot. The side that says bond and just literally apply it to your lash. Don't poke yourself in the eye. That would hurt, wouldn't it? And put a good amount on there too, especially if you want them to last long. Put a good amount of this stuff on. Keep your mouth open too. It helps you concentrate. Grab with your tweezers your very first lash, like so, and gently lay it on the corner. If it will come off, hold on. Like so. Lay it on there, babe. Like so. You can also take your tweezers and pinch it with your tweezers so it will be secure. All right, and now you just repeat across.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down. And I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the...
One eye completed. So as soon as you finish doing one eye, you want to immediately go in with the bottom half, the seal half, and just go both under and on top, both under and on top, so your lashes do not stick to the bottom lashes. That would hurt. All right, you want to do one last squeeze, pinch them together. Okay, and now we're just going to do the same exact thing I did on this side to this side, and I'll be right back.
town called Bel Air in West Philadelphia, born and raised on the...
All done. Now that we're done with our lashes, we can move on to these nubs, these grabbers. Let's go. I'm gonna head to the room because it's getting a little heated in here. It's hot. Okay, I'm ready. I got this thick. Okay, so now that we're in my room, I'm going to show you everything you need to do your nails. You're gonna need a pack of really cute press-ons, this drill with a sanding bit, and nail glue. And that's about it. That's all you need to do your nails at home. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna grab this, you're gonna turn her on, and we're just gonna sand off the shine on our nails. So
West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days chilling out.
So now that your nails all buffed, do the other hand. This one's gonna be tricky because I'm not left-handed, so just do as best as you can with your least dominant hand. That was low-key a bar, but we're not even gonna talk about it. Somebody put me in the studio ASAP.
Maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school when
Okay, we're done sanding our filing. We're done filing our nails down. Now that they've been removed of all the shine, it's time for our nails. These are the nails I got. They're from Kiss. They were a smooth $8.99 from your local beauty supply store. I wanted a white simple set, and I got exactly that, a white simple set. So take the glue it comes with and start plopping these bad boys on. This is my table. So we're gonna measure first, end to end, make sure it fits. I think I might need a bigger one. Make sure it fits end to end. And if it doesn't, you can file them down so they can fit your nail. Glue on the nail bed, smear it around with the top so it can evenly, and then just a tiny bit of glue on your real nail.
She said what?
Real nice, real smooth. Make sure it's not crooked. Is it crooked? It might be a little bit crooked, but make sure it's not crooked. Let's just do some more.
the guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." I begged and pleaded with her day after day, but she packed my suitcase and sent me on my way.
This is how they look so far. We are going to shape them some more because I do not like the shape they are currently. Actually, we're gonna do this hand and then we're gonna shape them. So
in my ticket, I put my Walkman on and said I might as well kick it. First class, yo, this is bad. Drinking orange juice out of a champagne glass. This is what the people
So
of Bel
we
Air
are
living
done
like.
applying
This might be
nails. we're just gonna take this little buffer thing and buff them to my desired shape, which is just a little bit more sharper than this.
See bourgeois and all that. Is this the type of place that they just send this cool cat? I don't think so. I see when I get there. I hope
Okay, so this is how my nails turned out. I don't know how to pose them. Like, you see? Okay, you can see. This is how they turned out. I finished shaping them and everything. I like them personally, but you know, press-ons are not meant for all. But if you do like press-ons, go put some this is why I closed the door. Go put some press-ons on. Okay, so the last step in our little glow up is to change my waist beads to these ones. Right now I'm wearing these. They're yellow. Where's the other one? And we're just gonna slide them off. Retire the old ones and in with the new. Waist bead moment. Cute. That was the final step, guys. That was the final step of our little glow up for 2023. Praise God, we made it this far. I am now gonna be Hi, I'm back again before the video ends. I did not end up doing my eyebrows nor my toes. One, because I completely forgot, and two, I just simply did not feel like doing them. So alright guys, so I'm gonna be closing out today's video, this little 24-hour transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed, and always remember, it's not about the outside, it's about the inside too. Glow your inside up as well as your outside. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Peace.